Hi everyone, my name is Milan with Fit Personal Training and Wellness. Today, I put together a great workout for you to do, whether it's at home, outside, or anywhere you have access to it. Now, today's workout is going to consist of 5 different exercises that I've handpicked that I really enjoy doing that really make me work. We're going to be doing burpees, extended planks, ab rotations, pike planks, and wall sits. Now, for the ab rotations, I am going to use a small medicine ball that has a little bit of weight to it. If you don't have a medicine ball, that's fine. You can use a can, a yoga block, or even your 2 hands. But I just wanted to use the ball today to add a little extra challenge. Now, I'm going to demonstrate these 5 exercises, how to do them properly, and the goal is to go through all 5 with as little rest as possible in between. Now, at the end of doing the 5 exercises, then you can rest, recover, catch your breath, let your muscles recover, and we're going to go through a second time, we're going to repeat for a 3rd time, and finally for a 4th time. So we'll be going 4 times total through all 5 of these exercises. So 20 exercises total, okay? Now, it's going to be a combination of repetitions, but also timed exercises. So follow along, watch as I demonstrate, and then we'll get working. This exercise is going to be the burpee. Now with the burpee, it does consist of a fair amount of jumping. So if you're at home, if you're at an apartment, there's somebody below you or somebody sleeping, you don't want to wake up, then I recommend modifying this a bit. So with the burpee, what you want to do is engage that core, get a nice good base with your feet. You want to come down on your hands, you want to kick out, kick back in, stand up nice and tall. Now, again, if you're at home and you don't want to cause too much noise, and the way you can modify this is as followed. Come down to your hands, walk a leg out, walk a second leg out, walk your leg back in, walk back in, and stand nice and tall. So essentially what you're doing is just eliminating that jump or that impact. It's also a good idea to modify this if you have any knee pain, knee injuries, so you're eliminating that pressure and that impact when you kick back. So, burpee, again, is kick back, nice and tall. Always engaging that core, chest up. Okay? Now, second exercise that we're going to do is going to be our extended plank, but we're going to add in a leg raise here. Okay? So, what we're going to do, we're going to pop down to the floor, getting into your extended plank as so. Now, you want to engage that core by drawing in your navel. Leg raise, here, here. Nice and controlled. You don't want to get too high, you don't want to get too low. Stay right in the middle with a straight back, squeezing your glutes as you raise that leg. Okay? Now, the third one is going to be our ab rotations, Russian twists. This is the one where I am going to be using the weighted ball. Again, you can use a can, a yoga block, anything that can replicate an object you'd be holding. What you want to do is come down to the floor, okay? Chest up, your back is straight. Now me personally, I like to keep my heels to the ground, because it eliminates engaging any lower back. If you feel like your core is really strong and you want to keep your feet off the ground, give yourself a little more of a challenge, you can, but you don't want to compromise the integrity of the exercise. So, heels are flat, chest is up, elbows are in, ball is at center point. Rotate through, following the ball with your eyes as you go. Okay? You want to focus on that spinal rotation, working those obliques. Okay, and one thing you want to make sure you do is you don't round. Keep that chest forward. Okay, now, this 4th one is going to be called a pike plank. Now, I'm going to use my sliders for the pike plank. You're gonna wanna use a shirt, a towel, you know, just use your socks if you're on a harder surface, because we do wanna slide. So, the pike plank, the goal here is to get those abdominal muscles working. So you want to start in that extended plank, pike up, back down, come up, back down. Now you want to keep those legs as straight as you can. Okay, you really are going to feel these in the top of your quads and your abdominal muscles. So slide those feet up, stay on those toes, back down. Right back down. Okay? Now the fifth and final exercise is going to be our wall sit. Now, I'm going to add a little extra step in here. When you get into our wall sit, okay, we're just get some shoulder taps in that wall sit so we can keep that heart rate up. So, make sure you get a good base with your feet, just like if we were doing a squat, okay? Keep your knees a little bit behind your toes. Back is flat, head is back. Nice straight back, okay? Engage that core, draw that navel in, tap your shoulders. Okay? Tap. And here we're just adding another element of movement, just so we can keep that heart rate going. It may seem simple, but second, third, and fourth round, you're gonna really start to feel that fatigue. Okay? Nice good form on these. All right, so to recap, we have our burpees, which we're going to do 10 of. We have our extended planks with the leg raise that we're gonna do for 30 seconds. Our ab rotations, which again, I'm using the ball. You can either use a ball similar to this or something that can take its place. 30 seconds for the ab rotations. Pike planks, use your socks, a towel, a shirt, anything you can get that sliding motion. Okay, we're gonna do 15 of those. And then the wall sit with the shoulder tap is going to be for 30 seconds. Okay, so again, the goal is go through all 5 with as little rest as possible. Then you can break, recover, and we're gonna follow that through with a second time, third time, then finally a fourth time. Okay, so at the end of this workout, we would have done 20 exercises, and trust me, you're gonna feel this. All right, see you guys at the end. Great job, guys. That was 1 kilo workout. I'm over here dying. Nice job. I hope that you guys are able to get through all 4 rounds. And remember, it's work at your own pace. It's not a race to the finish. It's, you know, making sure we're getting the exercises done properly, effectively, with the right form. And, you know, we're not racing against anybody but ourselves, okay? So good job. You made it to the end. Now, as a reminder, if you guys have any questions, you know, feel free to shoot us an email at info@inhome.fitness. Follow us on Instagram at functionalinhometraining_fit. I'm so happy to be able to do these videos for you guys and to, you know, give you guys some weekly motivation. So, you know, feel free to reach out, share your experience, and tag us in a post or whatever, and let us know that you did this exercise or this workout, and that you tuned into this video. So thanks again for joining. I'm so happy to be doing these videos, and I will see you guys next week before the holiday. I got something really special planned, so I look forward to our next video. Have a great day, guys.